Boo, what are these? This is Montessori Famiglie de Animali. La firma. Teenage. J.I. That is a pussycat. And what else do we have here? Another pussycat. A daddy pussycat, a mommy pussycat, and a baby pussycat. See? Daddy, mommy, and baby. Now what do we have? A horse. And a mommy horse. And a baby horse. We call baby horse a foal. A mommy horse is called a mare, and a daddy horse is called a stallion. They're families. Families of kitty cats, families of horses. Whoops. And here, what's this one? That's a goat, capra, a billy goat. And there's a lady goat, a nanny goat. And there's a baby goat, a kid. So you have a billy goat, a nanny goat, and a kid. And that's all the goat family. Capri. Now if we look on the back of them, on the back here it says, Sapul își folosește coane ca să se apere. Billy goat, Sap. That's the daddy goat. This one says, Capra are și ea barbă, ca și țapul. Nanny goat, capra. That's the mommy goat. And then we have, Iezii se nasc de obicei cât două dată. Kid or yid. There you go. There's a yid. Okay, that's your lesson for today. Bye.